good? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my uni diaries. I think this is like is this the first episode? Okay, that's the second one actually. So welcome, and this is going to be another weekly vlog until we're able to do like daily vlog day in my life. So for now, you guys should be eating these weekly vlogs, okay? So what are we up to this week? Classes start this week and I still need to do my file opening. So obviously you guys get a lot of tea in this vlog. So I'm gonna update the vlog, and if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Jubilee. I am a ready-to-wear vendor, an Ankara ready-to-wear vendor, and a student in the university. Okay, let's add that now. Let's add that. You get me? Okay guys, so I'll catch you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know yet, but I'll catch you guys definitely. My battery is down and there's no light, so see you when I see you.
So on this day, I was heading out for my file opening. This was the following day. I was heading out for my file opening. Then from there, I was going to head over for tutorial sessions that usually happen by 4 p.m. And unfortunately, on this day, it didn't hold because I was not in the group chat, so I couldn't check and update myself as to what I was doing. So after here, I went back home and then started completing the rest of my stuff. Need to do my hair Saturday. Need to make my hair on Saturday. So having not completed my stuff the day before, I had to continue to go meet my HODs and collect the paper that he has signed. And then this is the very next day. Here I was going to do my file opening because that process was the physical verification. Yes, so I was going to do my file opening.
Hey guys, I have losing my hair. I honestly did not want to continue this vlog because I've not vlogged anything for the week. Yeah, waiting. So losing my hair. What's the update basically? What the hell did you guys, because life is life in me. I think about what I want to eat every day. I think about how I want to survive. Like this is my hair. I look like a flying witch. See, you guys. I'm going to make my hair on Sunday. Apparently, on Sunday. Not my wish, but I don't have a choice. Anyways, that's it, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Supposed to be I'll go for tutorial today, so maybe I'll just try to give you guys like a snippet. That's if there's light and my phone did not off, literally. So first the update, you guys. I'll talk with you guys in subsequent time. I want to cook soup today or tomorrow because for 2 weeks I never shop paper. I've just been surviving on literally anything. If I'm not eating indomie today, I'm eating I've not eaten indomie since I came here. I just tried it only once, so I'm always eating bole and beans. Then I fried egg and bread once. Then I've just been eating rubbish, but in all the rubbish I've been eating, I've not been eating meat by anyhow, like buy egg roll. Don't those. What I've been eating is bole. Give me bole 400, beans 400. That's what I've just been taking. Then more and bread. Those in fact now beans pretty. People should pray for me. I've not been cooking any real literal food, and now see I can start touching my collarbones, like I can touch it, but it's not visible, but I can touch my collarbones. I've not started. I've been revising, like literally going through my phone to read the slides that was given to us. That's what I've been doing. I'll do serious and critical reading. I have 30 clothes dirty clothes to wash. I still have to wash them during tomorrow. So yeah, I'll get you guys soon.
So this was the next day. It was a Sunday and I was ready for my meetings. I'll equally drop update for you guys, man, because we needed an update. And I went to make my hair. I eventually made it on Sunday night because the person that was made to make the hair disappointed me, but I ended up making it on Sunday night. And that was it basically. Nothing too strong. Let me let you guys hear the audio.
I'll just put this many last time before I don't allow them. My remaining small chicken made inside here. I didn't go to remain. I doubt. So you need to come out. Oh.
Hey, don't finish. Wait till you got the rope for the air now.
The spirit. Small motivation. Okay.
They come out.
Small. Just need small touch. Listen, then they suck well for the drink and you can find. They take how many hours to do talk more for another person.
You might not waste time.
No, not be like those that lip combo something. Last time they take my time to do close. I will come to my own edges join. So
Lip combo they take time.
they
Take time now.
Lip combo for me.
Sometimes I they clean.
I go clean, do again, start afresh.
Now not for now.
That girl, they miss that girl. If you say who they do lip combo, that girl, if you say her naturally, you not too fine. But when that girl do lip combo for any style, it because
Oh, see, that's just fine.
Oh,
I'm married someone. Actually, look go one. This hair is giving a what? A 10 over 10.
Minus nothing.
Minus nothing. No.
I wanted to waste this thing before. TikTok.
I swear, for don't put scissors, eh?
I'm telling
They
you,
go
such
house
one-
without hair.
See?
they see what I had to place it with the hungry.
That way is a liar.
Devil is a liar, my sister. Don't be tempted, though. But if you, in case you're
Thank you.
tempted,
Say that. I feel play some.
So that was how I finished making my hair, and then I got home, fried plantain and made rice, and I was eating. So this was like my first class, if I was not mistaken, and it was a practical class. It was physics practical. So we're going to the lab this day, and I did a video with the hair, of course. And my full outfit, check out my TikTok. You're going to see it was one of the first videos I made on TikTok with my lab coat and all that. Then we headed out to the hostel, my friend's hostel.
For today, because I had my first class. So my trouser is literally torn. Hey, Barbies. So I'm in the hostel. So I escorted my little girl, like me, my girl, my puppy. Yeah, my puppy. Now are you supposed to see yourself on YouTube?
You get YouTube channel.
Yes,
I mean,
ma'am.
they zoom my face, shoot.
This is the face of the criminal.
Jesus, me see, wait. This year,
You do well now, people for my YouTube.
Nope. Oh, I hate when they post me.
You will see yourself, baby. Say, hey guys. Hey.
If she see you no back.
See this book. You see how they pump the leg.
And so that is how we come to the end of this vlog. No proper outro, but I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye for now.